Hi, I just want to take a moment right here at the beginning of week 2, module 2, to emphasize something that I mentioned in the overview video, but I want to give it its own emphasis, and that is the first assignment here in module 2. I've got it on the screen. It's the critical thinking definition. Notice that this says that you are to, in your initial post, uh, include scholarly definitions you found looking around the web and some analysis of which definitions you find to be the strongest or most helpful. And then we're to discuss this with each other so that we all each come to a conclusion of what our definition of critical thinking is. Critical thinking is something that has a lot of definitions, but what I want to stress right now is you've got to get your initial post up there early so we can discuss it, and then in assignment 2 you're supposed to use that definition. So we need to get this discussion going early in the week. One of you's already got your stuff out there. Good job. Please, let's all join her. Have a great week.